Hi friends, it's Miss Carolyn here, and we will be reading a story from Unique Learning Systems. And the title of our story is The Mixed Up Nest. This is part of Lesson 3, Activity 1 and 2. I will first read through this story with you and ask you some questions throughout. That will be Activity 1. And then you will go back to the story and review it with Mom and Dad. And then you will fill out a sheet that is in at the end of the video. And I'll give you a reminder at the end of the video as well. Okay, so let's get started. So first off, I want you all to look for those vocabulary words. And let's read them together. Animal, different, feature. Features are our eyes, our hair, our mouth. Baby, same, and parents. Parents are mom and dad. If you see any of these vocabulary words, please point them out, okay? All right, let's turn the page. And our learning goal today is, I will remember what animals came from the hatched egg in the story. All right, and this is our title page, friends. Can you point to the title of the story? The title of the story is The Mixed Up Nest. Can you point to the author? That's right, our author is Claire Rep. That is the writer of the story. And the illustrator, the very bottom, is Todd Garner. That is the person that drew the pictures in the story. All right, let's get started. Do you see Mama Duck here? That is one of the characters in our story today. And she is by the pond. And she has some eggs in her nest here. Do these eggs look the same or do they look different? Yes, they look different. Some are big and some are small. Learning goal, again, friends, today is your job is to remember what animals came from the hatched eggs in the story. Mama Duck went out for a walk. When she came back, there were 5 eggs in her nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at all these different eggs, Mama Duck said. I only had 1 egg in my nest. Now there are 5. Which one is mine? Oh, we're going to have to find out which egg is Mama Duck's. Which do you think it is? Do you think it's a big egg or a little egg is hers? I don't know either. We're going to have to find out. Let's turn the page. Mama Duck looked at the eggs. In some ways, the eggs were different. In some ways, the eggs were the same. I can't tell which egg is mine, said Mama Duck. I guess I will have to wait for the eggs to hatch. Are the eggs different or the same? Yes, in some ways they're the same. They're all whites. And in some ways they're different. Some are big and some are small. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, an egg hatched. "That's not my baby," said Mama Duck. "That baby has 4 legs." "My baby should have 2 legs, just like me." "Oh, what does this baby look like? Does she look like an alligator or a duck?" "Yeah, she looks like an alligator." Let's see if we can find her mama. "No, that is my baby," said Mama Alligator. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, another egg hatched. "That's not my baby," said Mama Duck. "That baby has a long, thin beak. My baby should have a wide bill, just like me." Is that Mama Duck's baby? Yes or no? No, that's not Mama Duck's baby. "No, that is my baby," said Mama Hummingbird. Oh, they found each other. See, Mama Hummingbird has a long, thin beak, and so does baby Hummingbird. And they both have some green. Yes, all right. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, another egg hatched. "That's not my baby," said Mama Duck. "That baby has a long, thin body and no legs or wings. My baby should have wings just like me." Oh, what is that? It's a snake, huh? Does this baby look different or the same as Mama Duck? Yes, way different. This baby slithers on the ground, and Mama Duck has wings to fly. All right, let's turn the page. "No, that is my baby," said Mama Snake. Do Mama Snake and Baby Snake look the same or different? Yes, Baby Snake and Mama Snake look the same. They both are green and they both have long, thin bodies, and they both slither around on the ground. Good job, everyone. Okay, let's turn the page. We are on page number 9. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, another egg hatched. "That's not my baby," said Mama Duck. "That baby has fur. My baby should have feathers, just like me." What hatched from the egg? Is that a baby platypus or a duckling? Yes, that's a baby platypus. "No, that is my baby," said Mama Platypus. See, they're the same. They have 4 legs and a tail. Mama Duck waited and waited. Finally, the last egg hatched. This baby has 2 legs and a bill. Its bill, just like me, said Mama Duck. "This baby has wings and feathers just like me. This baby is a baby duck." What hatched from the egg? What is it? Was it another baby platypus? Or was it a baby duck? A duckling. Yes, it was a duckling. Yes, this is my baby, said Mama Duck. And do they look the same or do they look different? Same or different? In some ways they're different. Baby duck is yellow and Mama has white feathers. But in more ways, they are the same. They both have bills. They both have two legs that you can't see. They both have feathers. They can swim. In more ways, they are the same. And that is the end. Did you like the story? If you liked the story, give me a thumbs up. If you did not like the story, give a thumbs down. And remember in the beginning, I said, let's put our thinking caps on and let's remember what hatched from the egg. So now it's time. What animals came from the hatched eggs in the story? Was one a pig, an alligator, or a horse? Yes, a baby alligator hatched from one of the eggs. Can you think what else hatched from the eggs? A snake, a bear, or a whale? Yes, a snake hatched from one of the eggs. If you also said a baby platypus, you are right. There was also a baby platypus in our story. Can you remember what else hatched from the eggs? Yes, a baby hummingbird hatched from the eggs too. And of course, our baby duckling at the end. All right, friends, that is the end of activity 1. You did a great job listening. I'm so proud of you. I will be back to do activity 2 with you. See you soon.